sixth engine in Texas. 4-H started about 1902, so you started in Texas 1908. 4-H is a youth organization where young people can work hard and become something great. Our motto is to make the best better, so we really strive to accomplish that. The 4-H, John Mark started 4-H here. He started the Boys Corn Club and a Girls Tomato Club. So we've obviously come to great lengths and we have many projects to offer. 4-H today has about 6.5 million people or members in the United States. That is a lot of people, so we do strive to become great things in the world. Some of the projects that I'm in are the Vet Science Project and the Dog Project. So who here wants to be a vet or would like to be a vet? Yay, cool. Okay, so if you join 4-H, a project you can do is called the Vet Science Project. And this project is a 5-year project. So you work hard, it's kind of like a classroom setting. So you go on different field trips and you do different things like that. And you can become a veterinary assistant and take a test once you have your 500 shadowing hours. So I definitely encourage you to do that. I've done it and it's really, really fun. Another project we have is the Dog Project. And in this project, you work hard with your dog and you can train him or her and then you can go to a competition with the state of Texas and you can do agility and different things like that in that project. So I really do encourage you to think about 4-H. Since you can start 4-H in the 3rd grade, I definitely encourage you to start now and work really hard so when you're a senior you can earn different scholarships and things like that. Thank you. I'll introduce my friends now. So we have Taylor Mayberry. Hey guys, how are y'all today? That's good. So first I'm going to talk about leadership. So who thinks that they're a leader? All of you should raise your hand because you're all a leader in some way. In 4-H, you can do what we call the leadership project. And this is where you can learn how to be a better leader than you already are. So when you grow up and you go to college or you go do your job, then you can become a leader. So this project just teaches you how to lead other communities and how to public speak and how to do stuff like that makes you become a better leader. So like this year, I'm the president of the leadership PDC, which is our committee, and I led the USO project for our whole county, which is we're collecting different items for our soldiers. So I got to have my name on it and introduce it to our county and then get it passed through the county council. So that was really cool, and that'll go under my leadership abilities for our record book at the end of the year. So now we're going to introduce Carson.
Hey guys, so what do you think we're going to talk about now? Yeah, there you go. So in 4-H you can show pigs and you can raise pigs from when they're this big to when they get really, really big. So, let's see. What's your favorite part of the pig? Bacon! Love bacon! So what else do y'all like about pigs? Pork is the meat that you get from a pig. Good answer. Who else was this? They do have funny noses, like my nose. So, let's see. Besides eating pork, I love to show pigs. Does anyone here have pigs? Ooh, a lot more than I thought. Okay, good deal. So those of you that don't show pigs, you don't have pigs, let me explain what we do when you show pigs. When you show pigs, you get them when they're really small, you get them they're about that big, and you feed them and walk them every day, and it's a really big responsibility and everything. And then after about 6 months, you go to the show and present your pigs to all the judges and everyone there. So that's really fun. That's my favorite part of showing pigs. I think pigs are a great project for everyone. I think everyone would enjoy pigs. And I think everyone would have a great time with pigs. Alright, thank y'all for letting me do this.
Hey guys, how many and I get to compete. And this one placed first at the district fashion show. And it's really awesome. Did y'all know that you can buy your clothes and sew your clothes in 4-H? Yeah? Did you know that you can also design clothes? Yeah? All you have to do is draw a picture of your design, and then you can enter it in the storyboard contest. You can also, who likes to make dresses for their Barbie dolls and all their other dolls? Yeah? Did y'all know y'all can enter those? Y'all can also enter your pillowcases. Y'all can also enter your pillowcases. And how many of y'all like to do rainbow balloon stuff? Yeah? You can also enter all of those things. Yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff that y'all can enter in the clothing and textiles department. So if y'all join 4-H, we can teach you how to model and become a seamstress. And next, Ashley's going to talk to you about horses.
Hey y'all, my name's Ashley, and the horse project is one of my biggest projects in 4-H. Did y'all know horses are herd animals? So if they're by themselves, they can get really lonely and it can make them really sick. Male horses have 4 more teeth than female horses. Horses can sleep while standing or even laying down. Horses can see in front of them and behind them, only there's like a few blind spots right behind them that they can't see you. The horses have 16 muscles in their ears, which allows their ears to turn 180. So that's like when they go forward and backwards and then like turn it all the way around. You can tell a horse's emotion from what their ears are doing. So if their ears are like perked up, they're really, really happy, but if they're pinned up back towards their head, they're really mad. The horse's brain is 22 ounces. That's more than half of a human brain. Horses are the largest eyed mammal. So their eyes are really, really big. They have the biggest eyes out of all the mammals. Horses can drink up to 25 gallons of water a day. And even on water days, they can drink even more. Horses' teeth take up more space in their head than their brain. So their brain's really big, but their teeth take up more space. Basically, you know how we can breathe out of our nose and our mouth? Horses can't breathe out of their mouth, they can only breathe out of their nose. Okay, so if this really excites you and want to learn more about horses, the Horse Club is a club in 4-H that we meet once a month. And also every Sunday, there's a horse judging horse judging practice with Quiz Bowl that you can learn even more about horses. Next up, I think, is Morgan or Taylor.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm going to talk about goats now. To start us off, what sound does a goat make? Just all yell it out. That is awesome. Okay. Hey, listen. There we go. So I actually show goats. So that means that I have 2 goats right now. And I got them back in August. So that's when you get your goats. And you have to walk them and feed them and make sure that their water is clean every single day. So I go outside in the morning, and then I go outside out in the night, and I wash their water bucket out, and I give them feed, and I have to pin them up because actually I have another goat that can't eat the show feed. So I feed them a different feed that helps them grow. So after that, in January, we have our youth show. And our youth show is when everybody 4-H and FFA comes to show all their animals and show off projects that they've made throughout the year. So once we get in the show ring, we have a judge, and then you have your class, and you have to walk around your goats a couple of times, and then you set them up. And so we say we like to set them up in a square. So we make sure that their legs are even with their chest, and then we spread their legs out just a little bit so they look like a square. Isn't that pretty cool? So what else can we get from goats? We can show goats, but what else? We can't get bacon. We can get milk. We can get milk from our goats. Cottage cheese. Can we eat the goat? Can we get goat meat? Yeah. We can. Has anybody ever had goat meat before? It's pretty good, right? So not only can we show our goats, but our goats can help us stay healthy, and we can drink their milk. That's pretty cool, right? Next, we're going to have Morgan.
Hey guys, my name is Morgan, and I'm going to talk to you about public speaking. Raise your hand if you're not nervous about speaking in front of the audience. Good. Then public speaking would be a really good project for you. Basically, what public speaking is you have a little presentation and you basically talk about it in front of others. That's basically what it is. That's what I'm doing right now. If you're like really nervous, I was when I was little, but you will get over that. So next, we're gonna have Melissa. Hello, everybody. I'm Melissa, and I'm part of the Kingsbury 4-H Club. And today, I'm going to talk to you about the Rabbit Project. So in 4-H, you can show all kinds of animals. You can show pigs, like Carson already said. You can show lots of other animals. I show rabbits. Rabbits are a great beginner project. They're a great beginner project. And they're really simple. Because you get your rabbits for only 6 weeks, and then you go to the show. But I only do the county contest. I don't go to like the San Antonio, whatever you call it. Well, anyways, and
What do you do with the rabbit? What do you do to take care of the rabbit?
how you take care of the rabbit is you have to keep it really clean. But someone told my mom that you really don't have to touch it because you have to get your rabbit really like muscled up. So this person told my mom, don't touch it because whenever like the judges go touch it, it'll tense up and it'll show lots of muscle in your rabbit. So who likes rabbit? Who has a rabbit?
different things. So what we'll do is we'll start out with simple, and we'll go and we'll build like little contraptions and we'll move and stuff. And then towards the end of the year, we'll have an entire robot that we can like program. And like if I wanted to, I can make it go across the stage, back, do a circle. I can do all these, we can do all these cool different things. And it's all with just computers and Legos. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not only do we do that in the robotics club, we also do geocaching, which is you have a little GPS thing, and there's these little points on there, and you gotta go to the points all through the city, all through Seam, and you can find these little treasure things, and there's like sometimes there's candy in there, sometimes there's like a couple coins in there, and it's so fun to go find it with just a computer. So let's see. Back to the Legos, we even have a contest, a state contest that we do with the Legos, and we'll go to different places around the state, and we'll go and we'll have a track that is like laid out on the floor, and we'll have obstacles and stuff, and we have to program our robot to go pick up the obstacles, and we have to make it go around the track and everything. So that's really fun. Our senior team last year got third place in state, which is really good, and they did a whole big deal, which is really fun. So my favorite part of the robotics club is towards the end of the year we have a sumo bot contest. So that sounds really cool, right? Yeah. So what we do is we have our two best robots, our two biggest, best robots, and we have a circle, and we have them fight each other until one of them's like knocked out. Have y'all seen sumo wrestling? Yeah. It's the same idea, but with robots. That's really cool, right? So if any of y'all are interested in that type of robotic stuff, y'all should come and make sure to join the 4-H robotics group. It's really a lot of fun. Thank you.
My name's Janae, and today I'm going to talk about what kind of stuff you can do with food and forage. How many of us like to eat food? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, me too. Okay, so for the first project in forage that you can do with food is Food Challenge. Food Challenge is where you get a team of 4 to 5 people, and you all work as a team to create a food dish. Me and my friend Taylor are on a team with 3 other girls, and we last practice we made it was like a Subway sandwich because we made meatballs and then we had barbecue sauce on top. It was really good. Also, for junior team, because we're in intermediates, the junior team made a cold dish. So can anybody tell me how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich? Yeah? Everybody know how to do that? Yeah? Cool. Okay. So for the next project is food nutrition. Food nutrition is where you can make your own dish at home, and then you can bring it to the judges at contests and tell them what you made and how you made it, and all of the ingredients and vitamins that are in it. It sounds like it's really hard, but once you get to make it, you look at all the ingredients, it's really easy. I did it, and one time I made a pear that looked like a bunny rabbit, but kind of looked like a mouse too, because I put eyes on it and ears. It was really fun. So now, who wants to do food challenge? Where you get on the team and you can make all kinds of stuff? Yeah? Cool, me too. Who wants to do where they can make the dish and then bring it to the judges? Yeah? Cool. Alright, thank you guys for listening. And next up is Shannon. Hey guys. So how many of y'all ever wanted to be an Olympic athlete? Yeah? Did you know that I want to too? When I grow up, I want to be an Olympic archer. So, did any of y'all know anything about archery?
the commands that they give you are in whistle forms. So if they blow 2 whistles, that means you go to the shooting line and you prepare to start shooting. When they blow 1 whistle, that means you can start shooting. When they blow 3 whistles, after everyone's done shooting, that means you can go get your arrows and bring them back. But if you ever hear 5 or more whistles, that means that it's a ceasefire and something dangerous is happening. So that means you have to step off the line with all of your equipment and you can't shoot. So until the line is cleared, you have to wait till further instructions. So 4-H, I learned how to shoot a bow and arrow in 4-H, and now I'm #1 in the state of Texas for outdoor archery for NFAA, and I'm #2 in the entire nation. So 4-H has taught me a lot about archery, and it's taught me a lot of life lessons, and it helps me to be a better leader and a better person. So thank y'all guys for listening today, and I'm going to turn it back over to Matt.
So how did you like that? Cool. Are you guys interested in joining 4-H now? Yeah! I hope so. I hope to see a lot of you guys here. I really do hope that you take this opportunity and join 4-H because it can truly change your life. I used to be the kind of person that was really shy and I could not get myself to stand up here and talk to y'all, but I obviously have grown in my confidence and everything through this program. I really do enjoy it, and I hope you all take the opportunity and become something great and make something better. So I think we're going to come and wrap this up. I'm going to bring my friends out here one more time. Give her a round of applause, please. So these are my friends. We're going to answer some of y'all's questions if you have any. Just raise your hand. Yes, in the back.
And do you have to pay to join?
We do have a small fee of $20. If you are unable to pay that amount, you can always talk to our extension agent, Matt, and he will definitely set something up with y'all. In the very back, yes. Yes.
How do you join?
How do you join? You can join online or you can visit our extension office. And this is our extension agent, Matt Miranda. So you can definitely ask him some questions if you have any later. Where is it? We are in Guadalupe County, so this extends this entire area. So you are in Guadalupe County. Yes. You have to sign a paper to join, yes. We are there some like by the fairgrounds, you mean? Yeah, our office is in actually downtown by Wells Fargo, close to there. You can be a Clover kid if you're under 3rd grade, and once you're in 3rd grade and through 12th grade, so senior in high school, that is eligible ages for 4-H. Okay. She is dressed up like a hot dog because remember she talked about food and nutrition? Well, you can make a hot dog, can't you? She's a hot dog. What's your second question? Can you be in all the projects? Yes, you can be in all the projects, although I do encourage you to not take on too many things because there are a lot of meetings and a lot of steps, a lot of responsibilities in each of those projects. In the green, yes. Yes. I do have someone named I know Trent. He's our District 10 president, and I'm the District 10 information officer. So yeah, we're friends. Oh, cool. Yes. How do you catch the rabbits? Do you all know how to catch a rabbit? Tell them.
What was the question?
How to catch a rabbit?
How to catch a rabbit?
Okay, so the question was, how do you catch a rabbit? Well, with 4-H Rabbit Project, we don't catch the rabbits. We buy the rabbits from a rabbit breeder, and we buy 3 of them at a time. and then you show those 3 rabbits together. We don't have to go out and catch a rabbit. One of the 4-H'ers, my pink 4-H'er over there, thought he saw a rabbit earlier, but it was actually a bird.
Yes. What? I'm thinking. So if you do join 4-H, there's the different clubs that you can join, and then those clubs have different meetings every month. So you can find that out once you join. Normally once a month, yes. 5 more questions. 5 more questions. Can you do duck races? I am not sure about that. I'm sure if you do a different project and you go to the fair and show or do something like that, you can watch the duck races there.
There is a fancy chicken and duck show.
There is, Matt just informed me that there is a fancy chicken and duck show. So if you're interested in that, you can try doing that. Let's do some in the back. Yes. Yes, you. Can you do the chicken dance?
Total projects, there's 38 projects. You can be in one or 38, but you have time to do 38.
See, so he said there are 38 projects in 4-H. He said you can be in one or you can be in all 38. But honestly, you want to have time management. You want to make sure that you're doing it well and positively. Last question, okay? That's a lot, yes. A real question. What? What are the pools? She's asking what are the pools? I asked. Yeah.
These ones are arrows. So this means your arrows.
Alright guys, well I think Matt is going to send home some informational packets with y'all today. And I really do encourage you to join and hope you enjoyed our presentation.
Alright guys, could you please give my investors a round of applause? We do hope that y'all join 4-H. I have a brochure for all of y'all. They're not folded because they have time to fold it. But I have brochures over here. I'll give them to y'all's teachers. That way they can pass them out at the end of school today. That way you don't lose them. If y'all ever have any questions, please call the extension office. My name is Mr. Miranda. My name is on the back and my phone number for the office, my email, all that kind of stuff. So if y'all ever have any, or your parents have any questions, please let me know. Thank y'all very much for letting us come out and speak today, and we will see y'all around town.